This video is a demo of our Electrical Estimator Tool for building automation systems cable runs. The tool is designed for HVAC professionals, engineers, and project managers to quickly build, organize, and report on BS projects. Even if you're a regular prime electrical sub or a residential electrician, it should be able to help you build in your cost for cable pulls. With this calculator, you can add, edit, and delete systems such as VAV boxes, AHUs, fan coils, and hydronic systems, customize project details and system inputs, generate a professional PDF report with your project name and system breakdown, save time compared to manual spreadsheets and handwritten reports. This is just one of our many new calculators on our newly launched website, hvacchecks.com. If you find this demo useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more HVAC and BAS tools.